Hi, thanks for joining us again. The Swing Caddy remote control is super easy to use. To turn it on, press the two blue buttons simultaneously. Forward, reverse, left, right. The green button in the middle is neutral. I'd stay away from that if you're heading down a steep incline because it's easy for the buggy to get away from you. The four buttons down the bottom are preset speeds, 1 being the slowest, 4 being the fastest. Please head to the website and refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to set these presets. The red button in the middle is the brake, and that's pretty much all there is to it.